Hi there, welcome back. Right, what we're going to do now is to install the EZ-1 system onto a simple shoulder rig like this one here. Obviously there's no pan, tilt and roll controls with a rig like this, so we're only going to be concerning ourselves with the focus and zoom parts of the system. Right, you might notice I've already attached a couple of lens gears here. Here we are. We've got one here attached to the zoom ring there, and we've got one attached to the focus ring here. They're held on with a small elastic retainer, just keeps those in place. Okay, so what we need to do is I'm going to attach one motor in approximately this position here to drive the zoom ring, and we need to attach one in approximately this position here on this side to operate the focus ring. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to also do is I want to attach the joystick here somewhere in this region here so that I can operate it with my thumb. I also would like to attach the control box somewhere in this region here so that I can operate that with this hand here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we'll start off by, well, we'll take the camera off. Let's remove the camera from the rig. Okay, we need to disassemble the front end. We'll just release this front retainer. And slacken off the handles. There's one. There's two. I'm going to attach the control box as we're attaching to a 15mm rod system. I'm going to use the 15mm support bracket. That attaches in here. We'll put the screw into there like that. And just tighten that up like that. And there we have that attachment. Right, now then, this, okay, we're going to adjust this, just slides on. It's a little bit tight. Let's just slacken that off a little bit. There we go, that's better. So that just slides along. We're going to put it approximately there in that position for now. I'm just going to nip that up. It's not tight, so this can still move about. I'll tighten it up when it's in its final position. Okay, next we're going to attach one of the motors. That's going to go in approximately this position here. So again, we just slide that along to its approximate position. The other motor is going to go in approximately that position, something like that. So we have the control box, two motors. Now then, the joystick. This particular handle has a couple of holes already in it, and that will fix directly to there, so we don't need the 15 or 20mm mounting brackets for this particular arrangement. One goes in there. Just tighten that screw up there. And then another one in there like that. Nice and tight. And there we have it. And so now we've got the joystick attached to the handle like that, and I can operate that nice and easily with my thumb. Like that. Okay, let's put this back together. This handle now can go on there like that, and we'll just nip that up. It's not fully tight yet. Again, we'll tighten it up when we in their final positions. Put the second handle on. Tighten that up roughly. Get them approximately straight. Before tightening them up, that looks about right. We'll tighten that one up. We'll tighten that one up. And there we go. And we'll put our retainer back on the front here. Just move that up there so I can tighten it up. There we go, that goes on there. We'll tighten up that bit. We'll tighten up that bit, like that. And that's the mechanical bits attached. Next, what we want to do is to wire it up. We've got the two servos. Let's just uncoil these cables here. There's one. That's the zoom servo. Here's the other one. Let's just untangle that. And that's the focus servo. Now, according to the manual, we've got the joystick socket, we've got focus, zoom, pan, tilt, roll, and an auxiliary. So that second one up, so it's focus and zoom. So this is the zoom servo. So I'm going to plug that into that slot there like that. The zoom, the focus servo, plug. Now then, there is the Now then, we have the joystick connector, little cable. So we'll just plug that in. One end plugs into the socket here, so we'll plug that into there, like that. And the other end plugs into the joystick socket, like that. And we'll just tidy this bit of wiring up at the front here with a small Velcro tie, just to tidy that up a bit. There we go. Okay, so there it is, roughly installed. We just now need to position the servos more accurately. In order to do that, obviously we need to put the camera on and align the servos with the gear rings, the lens gears. So let's make sure these are out of the way. Okay, we'll tighten that up. There we go. Now then, what we need to do is to just move this particular motor along until it's lined up with the zoom gear like that, and that will then engage as we need it. I'm going to actually leave it slightly disengaged now until we come to do the lens calibration. Over on this side, same thing, basically just to move the gear until it's in alignment with the lens gear, which means just pushing it along like that until it's in that position there. Oops, too far. There we go. So there it is. That will engage on the focus gear there. Again, I'm going to just disengage it, pull it out very slightly until we're ready to do the lens calibration and setup. Okay, so there it is. Just one last thing to do, and that is to attach the battery pack. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach that to the shoulder pad there and fix it there with a small Velcro strap like that. And then we get the power lead. I'm going to plug that into the power socket there, like that. And then I'm just going to wrap this cabling around here just to keep it out of the way. Put it around there a couple of times. There like that. And then just plug that into there. And there it is. the EZ-1 installed on the shoulder rig. The next thing to do is, of course, to do the lens calibration and setup, and we'll do that in the next video. But for now, thanks for watching.